Guys, if you've ever looked into hearing aids, you'll know one thing straight away. Most of them are overcomplicated and wildly expensive. They're packed with features, apps, phone pairings, settings, modes, a whole bunch of stuff. And you know what? For a lot of people, especially older users, that's just a bit too much. But these are the Retekess TE201 hearing aids. Now, they've taken a completely different approach and focus on simplicity, comfort and clarity. And honestly, that's exactly why they impress me. So stick around, I'll be back in just a few seconds to show you what these can actually do. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, after testing a fair few hearing aids over the years, I've noticed a pattern. Many of them are packed with loads of smart features, but those features can actually become a barrier sometimes rather than a benefit. Complicated apps, Bluetooth pairing, confusing menus, I mean, it can be a little bit overwhelming. Now, the Retekess TE201 keeps things much simpler. No smartphone needed, no Bluetooth setup, no complicated learning curve. You just charge them, put them on or in, and they just work. Now, before we get into it, guys, Retekess did send over these hearing aids, these TE201s for me to take a look at and to give my honest opinion. And guys, whether it's good, bad or indifferent, you know that you're always going to get my genuine thoughts. So let's get them out of the box and see what we have. So guys, inside the box, you get everything you need to get started. You get two hearing aids sitting nicely in a travel case. You get a charging dock. You get multiple sizes of soft silicone ear domes so you can get the perfect fit. You get a USB-C charging cable, a small cleaning brush and the instruction manual. Now, it's always good to read the instructions even though there's not tons of super complicated features with these, but you know what? Have a read. Now guys, the build quality of these hearing aids is good. These hearing aids not only feel solid, but they're incredibly light. So you know what? Continuous wearing is not going to be a problem. Now, charging is obviously important, and that charging dock is pretty nice. It's compact, solid, and has a nice digital display right on the front that actually tells you the battery level of each of the hearing aids individually, which, you know what, to me is genuinely useful. To charge them, all you do is drop them in the dock and they automatically start charging. No fiddling, no buttons and no guesswork. And guys, a full single charge gives you up to 8 hours of use, and the case can recharge them multiple times, giving you a total of 40 hours away from the plug socket, which is pretty cool. Now, one of the things I noticed about these is how discreet they actually are. The main body sits comfortably behind the ear. There's a thin, almost invisible line running into the ear canal. And you know what? They're not bulky, they're not obvious, and they feel light and natural. And those soft silicone ear tips, really comfortable. I tell you, you can wear these for long periods without any irritation. And that's absolutely crucial, especially for daily use. And guys, they're also IPX2 rated, so they're protected against sweat and minor moisture, which helps with long-term durability. Now guys, this is where the TE201 really shines for its intended audience. There's no smartphone pairing needed, there's no apps, there's no Bluetooth setup. There is no need for any technical knowledge. You just put them in and you are good to go. If you want to make adjustments, there are physical buttons on each hearing aid where you can turn them on or off. You can adjust the volume, you can switch between modes, and speaking of modes, you get 4 different listening modes, including a noise reduction option that reduces background noise by at least 5 decibels, which really helps bring voices forward and makes conversations much clearer. And guys, for the important part, the sound. Fitted properly, the sound is clear, natural and balanced. Voices come through crisp without sounding harsh or robotic, and background noise is kept under control. Inside there's a 16-channel digital chip and dual microphones which work together to pick up speech more accurate. It also filters out background noise, reduces whistling and feedback, and restores a more natural sound environment. And there's a 45 plus minus 5 dB gain, which is ideal for mild to moderate hearing loss. One thing I was really happy with, there was no noticeable delay or echo and no annoying feedback, whistle, and when they're positioned correctly, you also get a low battery alert when power drops below 15%. You get a memory function that remembers your last settings. You get automatic delay start to help prevent whistling. They're sweat resistant. You've got multiple tip sizes, anti-loss lanyard, and that's the sweet spot for me. This is smart enough to make a difference, but simple enough that anyone can use them. So guys, who are these Retekess TE201 hearing aids for? Well, they're perfect for older users, anyone who struggles with tech, someone wanting a starter or backup set of hearing aids, or even for people who don't want to spend thousands on prescription hearing aids or everyday conversations and home use. I mean, they're not trying to replace top-end medical hearing aids, but for the price and the target audience, these seriously punch above their weight. So guys, there you have it. The Retekess TE201 hearing aids. They don't try to be the most advanced or high-tech or complicated hearing aids out there. No, instead, they focus on what really matters: comfort, clarity, simplicity, and reliability. And honestly, that's exactly what most people need. If you're looking for a straightforward solution without the stress, these are absolutely worth a look. And guys, at the time of this video going live, you can pick a set of these up on Amazon in the Black Friday sale for just £144.49. I'll leave any links and any discount codes in the description. And guys, if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And guys, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Retekess for sending me these very, very cool and usable hearing aids to review. I'm Dave with Scenes Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.